As women enter menopause, their skin often begins to send distress signals: thinning, dryness, slower healing, and an uncomfortable feeling of fragility. This isn't just bad luck or getting older. It's the visible fallout from a powerful hormonal shift, combined with the slow burn of epigenetic changes. When estrogen drops, the skin's structure and function are no longer supported by the same biochemical safety net, and the once plump, resilient surface begins to falter. But here's where it gets hopeful. Vitamin C, that zesty little molecule more often praised for brightening, may actually be a key ally in counteracting postmenopausal skin thinning at the hormonal, cellular, and genetic levels. First, let's look at the hormonal landscape. Estrogen is a multitasker. It stimulates collagen synthesis, promotes skin hydration, enhances barrier function, and supports the growth and division of keratinocytes and fibroblasts. Once it declines, all those functions start to fade. Studies show that within the first 5 years of menopause, women can lose up to 30% of their skin's collagen, leading to reduced dermal thickness, increased wrinkle depth, and greater skin laxity. The epidermis, too, becomes thinner and more vulnerable, while ceramide production drops, weakening the barrier and reducing moisture retention. But menopause doesn't just change hormone levels, it alters gene expression, too. Skin cells begin to behave differently, in part because the genes involved in repair, regeneration, and structural support become epigenetically silenced. That means the DNA is still there, but it's locked down by methylation and histone modifications, preventing it from being used. In essence, the skin forgets how to function like it used to. This is where vitamin C steps in, not just as an antioxidant, but as an epigenetic modulator. At the molecular level, vitamin C supports the activity of TT enzymes, 1011 translocation, which remove methyl groups from silenced DNA, allowing key genes to become active again. In skin, this may include genes that regulate collagen synthesis, fibroblast activity, barrier repair, and inflammation control, all areas that suffer postmenopause. Vitamin C also works directly to stimulate collagen production. It's an essential cofactor for prolyl and lysyl hydroxylase, the enzymes that help collagen strands form and stabilize into strong, triple helix structures. Without sufficient vitamin C, new collagen fibers are weak, disorganized, and prone to degradation. In postmenopausal skin, where collagen breakdown is accelerated and new synthesis is sluggish, vitamin C can help tip the balance back toward repair. Clinical studies back this up. In one trial, postmenopausal women who used a topical vitamin C formulation, around 5% concentration, for 3 to 6 months showed increased dermal thickness, improved elasticity, and a reduction in fine wrinkles, all signs that the underlying collagen matrix was being rebuilt. Histological analysis of treated skin revealed more compact collagen fibers and better organization of the extracellular matrix, especially in sun-damaged areas that had been further compromised by age and estrogen loss. Vitamin C also contributes to barrier function, which tends to deteriorate during menopause. By stimulating lipid production, especially ceramides, vitamin C helps replenish the skin's moisture-retaining capabilities and reduce transepidermal water loss, TWL. This is especially critical as estrogen loss also slows down sebum production, leading to dryness and flakiness. In short, vitamin C can help postmenopausal skin regain both moisture and structure from the inside out. Let's not forget its anti-inflammatory effects, either. Estrogen has a natural dampening effect on inflammation, so when it declines, the skin often becomes more reactive. Vitamin C calms this chaos by neutralizing reactive oxygen species, ROS, and reducing the expression of inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha, which otherwise contribute to collagen degradation and cellular stress. And it gets better because vitamin C doesn't just work alone. When paired with other actives, like niacinamide, retinoids, or peptides, it becomes even more effective. Niacinamide supports ceramide synthesis, retinoids stimulate cellular turnover and collagen production, and peptides can further signal fibroblasts to get to work. In a well-formulated topical, vitamin C can be the biochemical conductor that helps the whole orchestra play in sync, restoring vibrancy to hormone-depleted skin. So, can vitamin C help with thinning skin in postmenopausal women? Absolutely, but not just by brightening or refreshing. It goes deeper. working through hormonal gaps, epigenetic silencing, and cellular slowdown, all without requiring synthetic hormones or invasive treatments. It may not turn back time entirely, but it does help your skin remember how to regenerate, rebuild, and resist the structural losses of menopause gracefully, molecularly, and one rejuvenated gene at a time.